Good morning, everybody. This is Dennis with Royal Trades Capital. Hoping you're having a lovely day. Welcome to my 1 minute analysis of Euro USD. So on the monthly time frame, we can clearly see price has been very much bearish. We can see a strong area of, let me just hide this. We can see we're having quite a strong area at this level where we see price clearly has broken towards the downside. What we might be expecting on the lower time frames is a proper retest of structure before the continuation towards the downside. So let's see what is currently going on the weekly time frame. As you can see, maybe bring up my drawing once more, maybe zoom in. The gray line, the gray box indicates my monthly zone. The black lines represent my daily S and R's. On the monthly time, on the weekly time frame, we can clearly see we're expecting price to at least have a clear exhaustion, maybe towards back to this level, just to give us the better entry towards continuing towards the downside. Now, on the daily time frame, however, we can clearly see we are having price pushing down. There's momentum shift towards the downside. There is exhaustion. We can clearly see that clearly on the daily level where we added our small S and R lines. We have one's here, and the other one here, where we can see, okay, we are having quite the entry point, quite the opportunity to actually execute when it comes down to this specific pair, where we're having a strong bearish exhaustion, bearish move, strong impulse towards the downside, exhaustion. This being, I think, was it a 38.2 exhaustion? Yeah, a clean 38.2 exhaustion coming down to the H4 time frame. We can clearly see it failed to break this previous high, hitting our previous supply area, creating a new lower high formation. This just indicates that indeed we are seeing more bearish momentum start coming into the market as we speak. On the minute one, on the hour one time frame, we are seeing, okay, indeed price did have quite an M formation at this level, where we are seeing the break of the neckline and the retest of the neckline, prompting us to actually take a short position from here. But I got in a bit late because my entry point is around this area, where now we are seeing price possibly continuing towards going towards the downside. We are also seeing something here that is now also giving us a bit pressure, some pressure, is because we've still not broken this low. Now, once price breaks below this low is when we can say, okay, sure, this is a full-on bearish move. For now, we already have the first instance where we are seeing a lower high being created. That is the first instance when it comes down to price changing directions, or price tending to reverse. Instead of going bullish, going bearish. Now we have multiple confluences at this level, where we have our daily resistance point. We have a H1 trend line that is a break and a retest of it. We're also seeing a break and a retest of the neckline. So we are having multiple confluences when it comes down to this pair. We are seeing a lower high creation. The only thing remaining, only confluence remaining, is the break of this previous low, a retest of the previous low, to just tell us, okay, it's time for us maybe to take price all the way to the next low. So yes, I've gotten in based off those confluences, and I do hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned for more. Have a good day.